Let's begin with the International Junior Science Olympiad or IJSO. 5 of our talented students attended the orientation cum selection camps for IJSO. Out of these 5, 2 exceptional students represented India in IJSO 2024 in Romania. Moving on to the International Olympiad on Astronomy and Astrophysics, that is IOAA, we are proud to announce that out of the total 5 students who represented Team India, 2 are from Narayana and both have bagged silver medals respectively. Coming to the International Mathematical Olympiad or INMO, 144 Narayanites have qualified for INMO. In Pan India, only 1,101 students have been selected to participate at the national stage, which comprises of 12 to 13% of Narayana selections at the national level. It's time to felicitate our champions of the day. I would request our directors, Sindhura ma'am and Sharni ma'am, to please do the honors. Starting with IJSO gold medalists, Shwetank Agarwal, I would also request their parents to join in. May I request her parents to join along with her? Moving on to IOAA silver medalist, Banibrata Maji. Now these students will be going for Indian National Mathematical Olympiad, starting with Venkata Hemant Reddy, C. Hemant Reddy, Sai Shriram, Shreyas Reddy, and last but not the least, K. Harshit.
Thanks for coming today to participate in the celebration of Olympiad Achievement Celebration of Narayana Group. Me andarki telsu, this 2024 has been an extraordinary year for India. India has been performing extremely well on the international platform in not only academic but also in the extracurricular activities like chess, Olympics, etc. And in the last 1 month, all of us have been rejoicing the World Championship won by our chess youth. At the same time, today we have assembled here today to announce how well Indian students have performed on the international stage in not just one Olympiad. Okka junior science Olympiade kaadu, alage okka junior astronomy Olympiade kaadu, even in senior astronomy Olympiad, even in mathematics Olympiad. So whichever Olympiad you take, and not just at a national level but also at an international level, Indian students have not just bagged a bronze medal or a silver medal or 1 gold medal. If there are 6 gold medals that are announced for Junior Science Olympiad, 6 gold medals were bagged by Indian students only. And very happy to announce that out of the 6, 2 students are Narayana students. That is Shwetank and Bhavya. Both of them are present here. International Olympiad on Astronomy and Astrophysics, which was conducted in October in Kathmandu. One student by name Pranjal has achieved a gold medal again. There were only 2 students from India who won gold medal, out of which 1 was achieved by Narayana. At the same time, even if you go to Senior Astronomy Olympiad, even there, our students, Banibrata, who is also here, and Sanidhya, has both of them silver medals, bringing glory to the country. Congratulations to both of you. And they are on their way to achieve amazing ranks even in the upcoming JEE exam. So you will see them over and over again. And I'm also very happy to announce that Bhavya, who won the gold medal in Junior Science Olympiad, she has won worldwide number 3 in biology subject. Not only as a medico, but also bagging the top rank in the country in the medical entrance examination.
A very good morning to everyone. We're gathered here on the occasion of celebration of the victory of the Narayana students in international and national Olympiads across various countries and various stages. We're extremely proud of each and everyone here. And let us begin with the results. In the Junior Science Olympiad, two Narayana students have achieved gold medal, Shwetank and Bhavya. This examination was conducted in Romania. And in the International Astronomy Olympiad junior category, one student got gold, Pranjwal. Examination was conducted in Nepal. And in the International Astronomy Olympiad senior category, two students got silver, Banibrata and Sanidhya. This examination was conducted in Brazil. 144 Narayana students got qualified into Maths Olympiad in a national level. Out of 1,101 students who got qualified in Mathematics Olympiad, 144 students are Narayana students. That is 12% of the contribution to the National Mathematical Olympiad. We're extremely proud of the results. These results would have not been possible without our supportive staff, without our supportive parents, and without our students. For any students to achieve extraordinary results in international level, national level, and Narayana has a legacy. We are in the 46th year of the education field, and we have a legacy of contributing to all India competitive examinations, be it mains, be it IIT, be it NEET, be it Olympiads, be it JIPMER, you name it, and we are there. And we have been very consistent in producing all India results in top 10, top 100, name it, and we are always there. And every year we have been very consistent in producing results, and definitely 2024 has been an amazing year for us, and congratulations to all the students once again.
Now it's time for our medalists to take the spotlight and share their experience with us.
I am Bhavya Gunwal. I live in Haryana and I am currently in Narayana Jaipur with the Narayana Jaipur team. I achieved a gold medal in IGSO 2024 held in Romania. Besides that, I also got the third best in the world for biology. I feel it is an inspiration to all the upcoming students to also get a chance to represent the country and bring glory to the nation. I would like to thank Narayana Group for my achievement. Narayana played an instrumental role in my success. The faculty at Narayana helped me at every stage of the Olympiad. There are like 4 stages before the international stage, and through all of them, like the first stage has only MCQs, then subjective questions also come, and in the third stage practicals also come. For each stage, Narayana provided a customized plan, a personalized approach to the exam. Like they conducted the practicals suitable for the exams. Like they helped me in every stage, and not just in academics. There was personalized mentorship as well by the teachers. Like they spent so much time with me. Like they knew me more than I think my parents. Like they spent so much time and helped in shaping the concepts really well. So I would like to express my regards to the Narayana Group for my success in the IGSO.
A very good morning to one and all present here. I am Shwetank Agrawal and I hail from Gurgaon. I bagged the gold medal in IGSO 2024 held in Romania, Bucharest. The experience at IGSO was something which is unforgettable. The amount of practice that I did, the amount of concepts that I learned are unforgettable. Throughout my journey, throughout various stages, Narayana Group helped me a lot. The last minute revision of concepts, last minute questions, some tactics and questions which need to be implemented, which helped me boost my score a lot. Throughout the entire journey, there was a constant support by my teachers and my mentors. They devised a plan for me and helped me throughout everything. Even in the practicals, which were there in the third stage of the exam, they helped me and provided a customized plan for me so that I could do the best and express my potential at the international stage. Moreover, it is a very proud moment for me to have been representing India in the international Olympiads, and I would like to thank everyone that supported me in this journey. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Bani Brata. I study in Nayana, Hyderabad. So basically, first I am very proud that I bagged a silver medal in IOA 24, which was held in Brazil. So I am very proud that I bagged the silver medal. Nayana had played a very important role in my preparation and very I'd like to express my gratitude to Nayana for that. So along with preparation of JE, the Olympics preparation were like really difficult. However, the teachers and the management devised a personalized plan for me, which helped me to handle both at the same time. And also in the third stage, when there are practicals like telescopes and everything, that thing is like not that's like really interesting, and it has a very major role in finals also. So like they also help for that. And like the teachers, they were always there to clear any doubts whenever I asked them. Even in the practicals part, if I had like I wasn't able to memorize something, they used to give tips and tricks so that I can memorize it easily. So I'd like to really thank Nana for that.